So today, guys, I made a lot of profit. I made $1,300 of profit for each account that I'm copy trading. So I'm copy trading 3 accounts. So that is 1,300 times 3, which is crazy. Yesterday I was in drawdown and I hit my daily loss limit, which was $500 for my 50k accounts on all of them. And just because I was disciplined enough, I let the system lock me out of the accounts. And yesterday price action was very bad. I let that day go. Just because I did that, today was an amazing day. I took 2 amazing setups. The first one was 80 points of price action and the second trade was 44 points of price action. We're going to review both trades right now. I have them as a speed run, so we can quickly go ahead and show you how I took it. So first of all, I want to note here that this week is unemployment claim at 7:30 my time, which is 8:30 New York time. The market, we were trading all-time high, so we were bullish and everything, but with this wick, I saw this wick and this manipulation of the news going up. And as you can see, guys, since Nvidia earnings yesterday afternoon or after the market closed, we kept going up and up. Even Asia was trending up. London was the accumulation, and then again we went into that manipulation leg again. So that's why I was looking at this news wick as a manipulation of the market going higher and tricking and trapping a lot of buyers into the market. And then I saw this SMT right here between this high and this high. I'm gonna mark it in a moment in the video, and these highs as well. I think this high, this big high on the Nasdaq, it was somewhere, I think it was this wick. So I'll go ahead and mark it. So we had a bullish fair value gap, we broke it, and after we broke it on the 1 minute, I got in short with 10 contracts micro, and then we're gonna see how it plays out. So here it is. This is the SMT, and as I said, this is between this high and this high, and the Nasdaq did sweep, the S&P did not. I entered with 10 contracts. I let the market play out. And when I saw this void resisting the price to go lower, I added another 3, and I was initially having my profit target to be here, but I extended it way below because I noticed that there are equal lows down there. So I'm gonna let the market play out here. And I was not afraid of the market open, and I know that if the idea was bearish, the market open will support the price to go down and resist the going up, and it would be the start of going down from here. So as you can see, I've also noted this consolidation area. I took 10 off here. So I took 10 off at the consolidation area. The price will fill me out in a second. Come on. All right, here it is. And I was initially going to take another one here, but I didn't want to. And I let 2 of them run to the equal low down there. While the market was dumping down, I kept marking out some PDAs or important levels in the market that it might reverse from. And if I was watching the market, if the market was going to reverse, I was going to get out of the trade really quickly. I noticed that bullish fair value gap and these equal lows, we ran him. It's very strong, very big momentum. So I let the I kept holding. As you can see that we had equal lows down there, and we broke that bullish fair value gap pretty hard. I was pretty upset that it just retracted all the way, but I was just playing around here. But yeah, I kept holding, and I had a lot of conviction in these equal lows, and I was holding through it with just 2 contracts. And with just 2 contracts, it got me $300 from where I took off my big position. After my big position, as you can see here, it was like $470, and then with just 2 micros, it got me out to $771 to these equal lows. And I'll show you the second trade in here. So this is the second trade. After we kept dumping lower and lower, I had marked out a gap in here, or you can just say that this is a void. It was a big empty place in the market, which sometimes we call it a new day opening gap, and that's what I was marking out in the video here. So I saw that we reacted off of that. After we broke it, we came back to it with strong momentum, and the price was very volatile today, guys. So just like a small retracement up was like $40 or something. So I really liked it a lot. So as you can see here, this is the new day opening gap, and where we're reacting off of it on the 15 minutes. So here on the 30 seconds, I saw this breakaway gaps, or what I assumed that they are breakaway gaps. Breakaway gap, this is fair value gap. We reacted off of it and we displaced up, and another fair value gap reacted off of it and we were stalling here. So I was looking at it to see if we will go up from it and retract from it and move higher or not. So I did see that, so I just got in with 3 contracts. The reason I got with 3 contracts because I was pretty green on the day and I did not need any more profit, so I was just trying to see an idea. So I saw another beautiful idea and I want to test it with like less than my half of my risk, because my other standalone account, I had it locked for today. So I just wanted to test this idea with just 3 contracts. And as you can see, the price just retracted just at the tippy top there, and the price retracted pretty bad here, and I wasn't panicking or anything because I know that we were gonna keep displacing up if the price is bullish here. And the good thing with this trade is whether even if we're bullish or bearish, we're gonna have to retrace up to that 50% of the big dump that we did. So I had to take a trade here. After I saw this massive candle, I jumped in right away with another 3 contracts and kind of like averaged down my fill here, and I rode that move up to this consolidation area, which I will mark here in a second. So this was my consolidation area. It had a bearish fair value gap here. I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even just in case if we reject from this bearish fair value gap, and my stop loss was a break even, no risk to this trade at all. And the duration of this trade, guys, was literally 3 minutes. So, and it was crazy. It was very volatile, and I can show you guys here the plays again. This was the last trade that you guys saw in the video. It was 44 points. It was 44 points, and that big play that I took in the morning was 80 points to these equal lows down here. That's what I had marked, and overall the day was amazing, and it kept on dumping. Like, imagine if I had held this trade down there, it would be like $300 of price action. It would actually be crazy, but no, I took profit early. Nobody knew when are we gonna start being bearish and start changing the order flow of the markets. So I took my profit early on, where it makes sense to take profit. These equal lows looks amazing, and I had a lot of confidence in him, so I got in a trade. Once I got in a trade, it started moving to my direction. I was pretty happy. These plays, I would just price reading those trades, no big deal. I would just price reading and tape reading the market. Even if I took profit of the day, sometimes I like to watch the market to gain knowledge and experience from it. On a day like this, very volatile, the price moves amazing. It's worth the watch, these price conditions, and I'm pretty happy of today's performance. And we're almost 51K on the account, $2,000 more to go to pass these 3 accounts. Of course, it has not updated the dashboard. It updates it a little bit later on. So yeah, that's all for today. Let me know guys down in the comment below if you are green or red, what plays did you take, and overall thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.